Hi guys, I'm Abby, and this is how to do your laundry in the residence hall. First, let's find an available washing machine. Come to the keypad, click Select a Washer, choose your selected washing machine, and swipe your FSU ID stripe down to activate your washing cycle. Each washing cycle is $1.50. Now it's time to fill our washing machine. Reminder to not overfill the laundry machines. Each washer can handle one standard load of laundry, and overfilling can lead to machine failure and dirty clothes. Your washing machine should be filled to about halfway on this clear door for our front loading machines. Liquid laundry detergent goes in this pull-out drawer of the washing machine, specifically in this compartment, but you can read the labels in the drawer to determine where to put other liquid products like fabric softener or liquid bleach. If you intend on using detergent pods, those should be thrown in with your load of laundry and not in this drawer. Once you've paid for your washing machine at the kiosk and you have put in your detergent, you can set up your settings at this keypad. Pro tip, if you are washing different colors of clothing together, wash on cold. When everything is all good to go, you can press start and begin your cycle. The same goes for our top loading washing machines. You put all of your clothes inside of the washing machine, pour your cap full of detergent on top of your clothes, and make sure that your clothes only fall to about the halfway point on the inside of the barrel before closing and beginning your wash. To be respectful of your fellow residents, make sure to set a timer so that you know when your laundry is done and when you need to come down and flip it to a dryer. Looks like it's time to move our laundry. For our dryers, it's the same process. We're going to find an open dryer, head over to the kiosk, select a dryer, choose our dryer, and swipe our card to add time. 15 minutes of dry time costs 45 cents. If you want to dry your clothes for longer than 15 minutes, you can click the Add 15 Minutes button, which will add 45 more cents to your total. Reminder to read all posted signage in the laundry room for best results. Once you have loaded your clothes in the dryer and you've paid at the kiosk, again, pick your settings here at the keypad and click Start. These laundry machines are not chairs, so don't sit on them, don't kick them, or otherwise harm them in a way that might cause machine damage. Just a reminder to check your pockets for any loose articles before you begin a drying or a washing cycle, as loose items can cause fires and other safety hazards and can also harm your clothes. Thanks for washing my clothes with me today. If you have any questions about laundry room operations, check out our website for more information.